Okay, moving on to the next couple of questions. Very similar again. Here we are, an isosceles triangle lying on a straight line. I know that these two angles are the same, and the top one is 48. So if I do 180 less the 48, that is 132. So those two must add up to 132 degrees. Divide that by 2. And I get 66. So I know that each of these interior angles is going to be 66. So x is now going to be 180 less 66 degrees. So I'm going to do 180 less the 66, 114 degrees. Moving down to part B, quadrilateral again. Those four angles inside must add up to 360. The three that I already know, let's see what they come to. And add those up. 10, 15, 4, 5, 6, 9. So they already come to 195 degrees. So in order to work out what this angle in there is, I'll do 360 less 195. So 15, 9 from 15 is 6, 1 from 2 is 1. So that angle there is 165 degrees. That lies on a straight line with y, so y and that must add up to 180. So y will be 180 less 165, which is going to be 15 degrees. So y is 15 degrees. Okay, with this question we've got a kite. Now, the easiest way of doing this will be to split the shape like that. And what we have then are two pairs of isosceles triangles. We have an isosceles triangle ABD, and we have an isosceles triangle BCD. The angles that I'm trying to work out then, angle X, I can work out part of it from the top isosceles and the other part of it from the lower isosceles. So with the top part first, I know that that is 66, so 180 less 66 will be 114. So that angle and that angle must be 114 in total. Divide that by 2 and I get 57 degrees. So I know that that top half there is 57 degrees. Then I do exactly the same for the bottom half. I know that that angle is 58, so 180 less 58 is going to be 122. Divide 122 by 2 and I get 61 degrees. So I now know that each of these is 61 degrees. So angle X is going to be what I get when I add 57 and 61 together, which is 118 degrees.